Hello everyone, this is Bimi here, designer of the team, and this is the sprint update for the 2nd of March 2021. We started this sprint with a request from Nkwashi saying that they wanted a way to be able to view all balances related to a particular plot that a specific user has. So now on the user's page, you can go to payments and then you can click plans. Here you see all the plots that a particular user owns, their balances, and more details concerning it, their payment plans. You can also click this button here, that icon there, to view more. You can see all invoices related to that particular plot that has been issued to the user and their status as well. This is what it looks like when it's collapsed. In this sprint also works on the ability to cancel an invoice. So on the payments page, you click invoice here and then you click the ellipse and then you can cancel an invoice. Once you click cancel an invoice, a modal comes up to a warning modal comes up to show that you're about to carry an action that cannot be reversed, and then see if you want to cancel or not. Also in this sprint, we added the ability to reverse a transaction. So in transactions page, you can either view a receipt or reverse a transaction. So once you reverse a transaction, um, it goes to this page also that prompts a modal where you can reverse a particular transaction. Moving over to this, a lot of designs I've been working on are for web. So here I had to redesign the transactions page for mobile. So this is what the user details page looks like. And then this is a second option to whether still make use of a table or use cards instead, as well as user details invoices page, um, as well as the payments page also. So all of these are mobile responsive views for our developers to work on. Transaction details. We added invoice details under each transaction. So now you can see a transaction that has been carried out and also the invoice details related to this particular transaction. Um, you can now also see more information pertaining to a particular payment type. So if it is a cash payment, then you see only transaction number. If it is a check payment, then you see the check number as well. So here you can see check number. This is a check payment. Another thing worked on in this sprint was the ability to edit a particular payment and also have an edit log, similar to what we have for forms. So here you have a transaction, you can see all the details. If an edit has been made, you can see the edit log to see who made changes to a particular transaction. Also, I must add that you cannot edit the amount of a transaction. This is all for this sprint. Also in this sprint, I worked a lot on the wireframes for our navigation for the application. I won't be showing that yet because there's some cleanup to be done. But in the next sprint, there'll be a lot of updates on that. Bye.